How to install Apple TV on Windows. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can install Apple TV on Windows. So for that we will simply go to Microsoft Store. So you will simply go to it. Here you guys will see on left side apps, gaming, home icon. Also on top you guys will see search apps, games and more. So simply here search for Apple TV. After that you guys will see here on left side Apple TV apps entertainment. So simply click on it. Once you click on it, after that click on get. After that it will say sign in. So basically here Microsoft want to confirm that it was real you. So basically after that it will say you can click on
because
send
you are
code
accessing
and you will
sensitive
receive code
info,
on
we
your
will
email
send code
and
to
paste it. So once you paste it, Apple TV will
after
start
that
downloading.
apps.
Also you guys
After
can
that
write
Microsoft
password
Store will
and
ask you
after that
for
click on confirm,
confirmation or
and once you click on
verification
confirm,
that you are
Apple's
installing
TV
that
will be
app and
start
you are
downloading.
real owner
That's
of
how
your
you guys
PC
can do
or
that.
laptop.
Thanks for
So
watching.
simply give your